how you can change your email address that is on your Epic Games without verification. Now let's just dive into it. First, open up your web browser and search for Epic Games. Make sure that you're logged into your Epic Games, and after you've logged into it, what you need to do is you need to go to the help section. You can go there from the interface itself, or you can just type in help in this link right here, like this, and your link should look like this. Now here you can see you've gone to the help center. Now go to the accounts center right here and just tap on accounts. Now after you do so, if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see contact us button. Click on the contact us, and here you'll get your username, your email address, your platform. Now just choose your platform. I'm just gonna do PC. Accounts, choose your account, contact reason, just tap on this Epic account and describe the problem. Now just type in the problem, that is, I do not have access to this account, so I need to change my email and connect it. Now, it should be somewhere along this line, so you need to change it. You can also upload an image right here and just tap on submit an email request. Now, as you can see, after you submitted your problem, you will Epic's account, Epic's game will reach back to you after a few days. This will take some time, and after they've reached you, you can just follow along with whatever they say, and you'll have your email changed. So that is pretty much it. That is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you're not subscribed to us, just go down below and subscribe to our channel. And that is all. Thank you for watching.